Hi, I'm Tom, and in this quick tip I will show you how to merge two separate PDF documents into one PDF file using PDF4QT free open source software. So I've got these two independent documents and I want to join them into one. And this first one is just one page and it's the header page of this form. And the second one, it's 3 pages and it's 3 pages of this questionnaire. So I want to join these two PDFs into one PDF. And to do that, I will fire up PDF4QT tool. And the PDF4QT bundle contains 4 tools, the editor, viewer, div, but we will use Page Master. So I will start Page Master. And here I will drag and drop into the Page Master first the first page, the header page, so it's placed here, and then the form, so the other pages. And back in Page Master you can see that this is bundled together, so I can see that it has got this page and 2 more pages. And now I want to create a new document out of these. So I will choose Make and United Document. Here I will choose the directory where I want to save it, and I will name the file merged, and I will hit OK. Now if I look into my file explorer, you can see the merged file, and if I open it in a PDF viewer, you can see that it has got 4 pages. And the first page is the header, and then the form follows, the questionnaire follows. So this is how easy it is to join 2 or more PDF documents with Page Master. PDF4QT is very easy to download and install. The link to the product page will be in the description box below, and here on the product page I will go to download. This brings me to the latest released version, and I will scroll down here and I can download the MSI Windows installer and install the application. You can also use it on the Linux. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.